Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with day 1089 of What's She Up To Now. Sipping my cold coffee. I'm just sipping my cold coffee and thinking about I'm just and it was for our Do One Thing Every Day That Centers You 365 Day Challenge, day 21 today. Today it was, I'm going to go to the page because it was a good one. It says, I'm not overweight, I'm just 9 inches too short. So it's said, of course, by Shelley Winters, the comedian. And it brought up something in me that I know that I do, and so many other human beings do it. We add qualifiers to actually buffer ourselves or make excuses for ourselves or let ourselves off the hook. I am as guilty of this as anyone. I say, oh, I'm just this, I'm just that. Instead of saying, I'm doing this or I'm busy doing that, I say, I'm just working on my book. I'm just, doing the laundry. I'm just, I'm trying to think of some better examples than that. But the challenge today was to say, I am not blank, I'm just something else. So I said, I'm not stupid, I'm just forget to think before I speak sometimes, right? Yes, I actually do that. I'm not scared. I'm running to look at the rock over there because I'm being chased by a bear. So really, I would be saying, yeah, I am scared. So usually when we say we're not something, I'm not hungry, I'm just emotionally eating, or I'm not short, I'm vertically challenged, which is, I really am vertically challenged, so it's just really a statement of fact. But I'm not thinking of it as a disability. I'm not blind, but I am visually challenged, and I don't think of that as a disability. I think it softens it. So it softens what it is that we're saying that we're not, to make an excuse to ourselves, to be honest, to remind ourselves to be honest with ourselves of what we really are. It's more important to focus on what we are than what we think we're not, right? I'm not mean because I help other people, or I'm not mean, I'm just frustrated with blank. Well, yeah, if you're acting mean, that's mean, right? If you're acting ornery, it doesn't matter what the excuse is or the justification is. I'm not mean, I'm just hangry, meaning I'm hungry, so I'm angry. Well, if you're behaving in a mean way, you're being mean, so it doesn't matter. You can say it, sugarcoat it any way you want, but everybody knows if you're being a jerk, you're being a jerk. So I want to think about today as part of my centering exercise, which is the whole point of the 365 day challenge, is to get to know myself better. I want to think about how often, and pay attention today, how often I make excuses, I act like a victim, I say something but I mean something else, I add qualifiers or filters like hope, try, oh, I'm just watching a show, or oh, I'm just doing something to avoid doing something else that I know I really want to do. So I'm going to watch that today. I think that was a good reminder for me. I'm just blank. And are we really just anything? I do this a lot. I say, well, I'm not a businesswoman anymore. I'm just a grandma. I'm just an online grandma. Well, that's putting myself down and being a disqualifier, right? Not a qualifier. It feels more like a disqualifier than a qualifier. And we always want to qualify ourselves to whatever it is that we want to do. Which leads to our Supersize Your Business video today. The idiom was, you can't always get what you want. Now, it's a proverb, and it's an idiom, and it's been around forever, but do you think I could find the origin of it? No! I couldn't get what I wanted today because Google is so inundated and full of nonsense the way they show things. I looked through like 20 pages and still couldn't get to the origin. I tried all different ways of searching the term and searching it, because I don't think you can't always get what you want. It's the actual phrase of the original proverb, but I couldn't even find that out because it wouldn't let me get away from anything Rolling Stones, Keith Richards, Mick Jagger, or Quora, or the other user-generated nonsense. It was pages and pages, and I just finally said, it's not this important to me. What else do I want to know about getting what you want? Because the topic is really about getting what you want more than it is about you can't always get what you want. Now, if you followed me at all or know me at all or have ever met me, you know that I firmly believe there is no such thing as can. My dad did an amazing job of instilling in my sisters and I, hey, there's no such thing as can't. And most people that he ever came in contact with. If you want something, there is a way to achieve that thing. You just haven't figured it out yet. And it doesn't mean you won't. It means you absolutely can. If you have that desire, you absolutely have everything you need inside you already to figure out and achieve that thing you want. I don't care what it is. If you want to be a billionaire and you really want to be a billionaire and you truly, that's in your core, you want to be that, you absolutely positively can go ahead and be that. Will you have to change and become a billionaire worthy person? Absolutely as well. You can't just say, I want to be a billionaire, and then instantly you're going to be a billionaire. But you can absolutely positively be that, whatever that is for you. So I did a little research on, since I got super frustrated, and I tried like not just 1 or 2 times, like 5 or 6 times. And even after I finished the video this morning, I still went online and tried to search some different ideas and different ways of getting at the core information. And I believe Buddha is and other people are credited with saying getting what you want can't always get what you want. Just meaning that the end result, the first time you try or the first couple times you try, might not be exactly what you want. It just will give you a result. But when you take action, you'll get a result. But the thing is, you might get a better result than you ever even imagined. So we want to be open to the possibility that we can get the things that we want and much, much more. So that's it. That's what I'm working on today. Working on and putting together the next 30-day Get Up and Go challenge. I personally need a Get Up and Go challenge. Not even going to lie. I totally need one. This month off has been really frustrating for me, and doing all my regular stuff, but not feeling like I'm making personal progress. And we always want to feel like we've got certainty and we're making progress toward the things that we want. So February 1st, we're going to go ahead and jump off with another Get Up and Go challenge. And I didn't decide yet if it will be 28 days like the month, which would be 29 days because I always do a bonus day, or do I want to do back-to-back things? We'll see. I haven't decided yet. Depends how it goes. Depends how much I learned. Depends if I feel like we're making progress and I'm making progress. If I feel like I'm making progress, probably hop right into another one, because it's such a powerful tool and such a powerful way of really making transformations in our life and really feeling and knowing with 100% certainty that we are making progress toward the things that we want. If I can help you in any way, hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow.